Hi, Namaste. I am Yogi Dinesh here. For today we are discussing about Baka Dhyanasana. So for that here is Elijah from Italy. So lot of student and yogis who practicing yoga, how can they practice beginner way to intermediate to advanced level. Baka Dhyanasana means crane pose, not crow pose, okay. So for that beginner we need to one cushion and one block and one of course yoga mat. Come to the child pose, just relax balasana and come down, arms back, down and relax. And balasana you relaxing for a while, you just develop from, you remember asana develop from where? You need to, you going to crane pose, you need to prepare your mind, prepare your body for that posture. So slowly with inhale come up, inhale. Now you are here, so inhale come up, put palm front of the knees here. So then you adjust yourself knee, support your toes support, and then walk your hand towards the knees and lift your knees up like this. So if you sitting like this, then you need cushion front of the head like this, okay. Then adjust the knee over your arms, just come up standing like this, yes. Adjust your knee over the arms, just look forward, looking forward. One thing is very important, people start to head down like this and they start to do, no. You have to lift your head, lifting the chest and transfer the slowly weight towards your palms, okay. Looking forward, shifting weight towards the forward, not towards the toes, not towards the finger, little forward here. Then you need to help with this block. So when you start to move the body weight forward, you need to tell them to move forward and raise the one leg up, maybe right, maybe left, just like this. And use the block, the feet, idhar dikhao, the feet here. So knee over your arms and block, adjust your left foot or right foot over one block and keep breathing and looking forward, then slightly supporting the block. Supporting this block with your feet and lifting the leg, just like this. Keep breathing and then relax again. Then breathe in, then again try. Inhale up, stretch and going forward. Look forward and coming down again. Relax. Then we change the block. Inhale, wait, relax this feet and then come back. Inhale, adjust and support this block again. Just take your time, take your breath, take your shifting the body weight and looking forward and then going slowly like this. Yes, again inhale up and exhale forward. 3 times, 5 times you can practice and relax and then come down. Relax, sit down and knees drop and go down as a child pose, relax. Arms back and relax for a while like this. So now what happen if the beginner who trying to Baka Dhyanasana crane pose and after 1 week keep practice and trying to shifting the weight towards the palms, looking forward, not looking to the toes. So what will happen? 1 week perfect balance come. 1 week after you can do, how you can do 1 week after? Like this, right leg up, practicing like this, supporting and then come up, move forward. Looking forward, then lift the leg up, slowly you start to weight the shift like this. Looking, big toes touch each other, keep breathing, looking for chest up little bit, yes. And after 1 week, you start to practice beginner to you come intermediate. So this is the Baka Dhyanasana practice. Perfect, thank you. And now we are discussing about how to practice as a intermediate to advanced called Ekpad Bakasana. Ekpad Bakasana means one leg stretching and balancing from as a Baka Dhyanasana. Ekpad Baka Dhyanasana. Today same the blocking support we will use to practice Ekpad Baka Dhyanasana. Please see here. Go again. Baka Dhyanasana, like you did before. Intermediate. How you did intermediate Baka Dhyanasana? Moving, shifting the weight towards the arms and try to looking forward and try to elbow straight. Remember the block. The block you have to support again and relax here, one leg. Okay. Now what you have to do, you try to support the block with the one leg and make the leg, back leg, one leg straight here. Yes. Looking forward, straight here, looking forward, chest up. Yes. 5 is called Ekpad Bakasana with supporting the block. Begin intermediate to advanced practice. And after that, come back, relax. So, have to one pose without block. Can? Possible? Otherwise, I have to show that.
Yeah.
No problem. That is, I show you. You can do or not? Try.
I don't think so.
So, try one time. Is little funny will come also. If you cannot do, then I will say, you see how to do. So, see here, and now before we see intermediate to advanced level to how to do Bakasana with supporting the block. Now, I try how Elijah practice this. See, practice or not. I give her homework and we will see her homework how is work. If not work, again I will show you this then. Come on, go. Go Elijah, yes. Stretch, looking forward. Transfer the body weight one side. One side, come on. Lifting toes, big toes towards each other. And leg back, transfer, leg back, come back. Fall down, no problem. Hey, good job, very nice. It's okay. But you need to more practice. Now I explain you how to do Ekpad Baka Dhyanasana. So then understand more clear. So here, last time, just we see Elijah how we work out with the block. Now, same posture here. We go open the finger. You can go from the standing also. Standing, go forward bend, stretch the arms, knee over your arms here. Adjust as much higher your knees. Then open the fingers, lift up. Buttocks lift up, extend the chest. Move the body weight towards the forward. Shift up. Stretch, elbow possible, straight try. Then shift the body weight one side and stretch like this. Looking and come back. Same balance. Other side, stretch. Good. Keep breathing. Stay here and then jump back Chaturanga slowly. Upper facing and down facing. You can go vinyasa here. Relax here. You can relax like this, or you can use the block to adjust your forehead over the block and relax. So this is the advanced level how to practice Baka Dhyanasana. Okay, hope you understand. Don't do mistake how the Elijah did. Proper homework. Okay, namaste, bye. We did Baka Dhyanasana. What is the benefit? Why we doing this all asana? What is the purpose actually? Every asana have some different benefit because it's called Baka Dhyanasana. Why is called Baka Dhyanasana? Baka means crane. Crane have what quality? Crane have very good concentration quality. So this crane posture, the Baka Asana, Baka Dhyanasana may improve our concentrating power. Yeah, of course your strength develop, your core develop, physical body is developed, but same time you will have good concentration. If you have good concentration, it will help to you for meditation. Because after dharana, dhyan is very important. So dharana is called concentration, is help to us to meditate more deeper and balance our life. Thank you. Namaste.